Good day everyone. We are going to talk about Arduino installation, loops, function, and time manipulation, plus Arduino arrays and strings. The first one is loops. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times, and we have 5 general kinds of loops. The first one is while loop. It is used to repeat a specific block of code an unknown number of times until a condition is met. Next is do while loop. The do while loop is similar to while loop, but in do while loop, the loop body will be executed at least once. Next is for loop. A for loop execute statements a predetermined number of times. Next is the nested loop. A nested loop is a loop within a loop, an inner loop within the body of an outer one. And lastly, infinite loop. An infinite loop occurs when a condition always evaluates to true, so the loop becomes infinite. The next one we're going to discuss about is the functions. Functions makes it easier to reuse code in other programs by making it modular, and using functions often makes the code more readable. It conceives and organizes the program, and it reduces the chances of error. Function declaration. Define a function with the specific parameters. You can also declare a function by providing it return value, name, and types for its arguments. Delay function. The way the delay function works, it is pretty simple. It accepts a single integer or number argument. This number represents the time measured in milliseconds. The program should wait until moving on to the next line of code. When it encounters this function, millis function, it returns the number of milliseconds that have passed since this upload was completed. Micros functions returns the number of microseconds since the Arduino board began running the current program. The next topic is arrays. An array is consecutive group of memory locations that are of the same type to refer to a particular location or element in the array. Declaring array. Declaring array is similar to declaring a variable. An array needs a data type like integer and a name. Multi-dimensional arrays is an array with 2 dimensions, often represent tables of values consisting of information arranged in rows and columns. Next is strings. Strings can be used to store text. String characters arrays is a sequence of characters that are treated as a single data item and determined by a null character. And lastly, string object. It allows you to use and manipulate strings of text in more complex ways than a character array do. This is the things that I learned from Sir Angelino. Thank you.